Do you have problems with the Instagram message status fail? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come to my Instagram app and then of course log into my Instagram account and then come to my profile right here. And in here what we're going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and now we should click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down, and then we need to click where it says help. So click on help in here, and then click where it says reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem in here, and then click on include and continue. Perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So we need to write something like this to Instagram. I am getting the Instagram message status fail. Please fix this for my account. Then just write like the account username basically on your Instagram. So write it just so that Instagram knows exactly what kind of account that you're actually talking about. And you can also click where it says screenshot, as you can see, or click on upload. Sorry, click on upload in the bottom left corner. And you can also upload if you have like a photo or something like this, like exact message, like Instagram message status fail. Basically, if you have a photo of that, you can also upload it in here so that, yeah, basically clarify it even further for them, right? And then click on send in the top right corner. What will happen now is that you should wait about 1 week, I would say, and see if that will work after 1 week, because hopefully it will. If it still does not work, you can also of course try to see if you can update your Instagram app. So go into App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android phone, and check if you actually have like an update button on your Instagram app. If it just says like open, then probably you do have like the latest update already. But if it says update, then click on update and try again, basically. So yeah, this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.